Hey everyone! What if I told you that you can get your own custom Discord guild tag completely free? No nitro, no coding, no catch, just pick your tag and it goes live instantly. Sounds cool, right? Let me show you how. First, you'll need to join the Discord server linked in the description. That's where all the magic happens. Once inside, you'll notice tons of free pre-made tags ready to claim. But if you want something unique, you're in the right place. Head over to the Guild Builder channel. Keep in mind, slow mode is enabled here because these tags aren't unlimited. You can only generate one every 6 hours. And don't try to cheat with multiple accounts. That's a fast track to a ban. Now, type the command !guild. Within seconds, you'll receive your own custom server right in your DMs. Tags are limited, so act fast. Only a few are available at a time. Once you're in your new server, you'll wait a few minutes to claim ownership. After that, it's all yours. Go into server settings, set your server tag to your own name, customize channels, slap on a badge, and just like that, you've got your very own Discord guild, completely personalized. The links are in the description, so grab your tag before they're gone. It's simple, fast, and totally free. Go ahead, claim your Discord identity today.